Imagine this. A niche that's flashy, trending, and exploding in views. In just 5 months, one channel pulled in over 140,000 subscribers. And today, I'm giving you the entire process to make these kinds of videos. Totally free. Interested? Actually, some viewers have asked me about this niche. We call it anime to real-life transformations. Now, this channel only has about 70 million views total. But get this, 60 million of those views came in the last 30 days. That means it's blowing up right now. And now's the perfect time to jump in. Their YouTube ad revenue, showing at least $15,000 per month. Now you might say, that's not accurate. And you'd be right. It's based on long-form video RPMs. But where do we check RPMs for YouTube Shorts? Don't stress. Check out first video with 3.9 million views. The RPM is $0.12. You will see 28% of viewers are from the US. And this video with 1.7 million views, RPM is $0.13. US viewers is 30%. The third video with 4.2 million views, RPM is also $0.13, and US viewers is up to 42%. So yeah, your RPM really depends on where your audience is from. That's a big deal. Back to the niche channel. Let's say their RPM is $0.10 per 1,000 views. 60 million views in 1 month yields $6,000 in ad revenue. Not bad, right? You might ask, but what if the channel isn't monetized yet? Good question. If you've got the Chrome extension YouTube Monetization Checker, just click it and it'll tell you right away. Easy. And it's not just YouTube. This creator is also posting it on TikTok and Instagram. Guess what? Their TikTok is even bigger. 300K followers and 7.8 million likes. Feeling inspired yet? Then follow along with my tutorial, step by step. You can totally do this too. But watch till the end. The process is simple, but every step really matters. Trust me, and trust yourself. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Get the image assets. We'll start by analyzing the target channel. You'll notice their videos show popular anime or animated characters transforming into real people. So we need 2 sets of images. Set 1 is original anime artwork. Set 2 is realistic versions of the characters. Set 1 is easy. Just grab them from Google, or generate them using AI if you want. Now for set 2, we'll use ChatGPT. Drag the anime images into the chat. I'll just use 5 images here for the demo. Then input this prompt. I want to recreate these pictures in 4K hyper-realistic style. The scene, special effects, and character features, body, clothes, and hair color all need to be restored. Please give me AI image prompts one by one. Don't worry about writing prompts. I've already prepared a full Google Doc for you. Just click the WhatsApp link in the description and you'll get access for free. Hit send. Bam. ChatGPT gives you all 5 prompts. Step 2. Generate the images. We'll use 2 tools here, one paid, one free. Paid tool, ChatGPT Plus. If you're a Plus user, just click Create Image, paste the prompt, and don't forget to add 9:16 aspect ratio at the end. Boom. Your first image is done. Looks good, right? Repeat the process to generate the rest. Pretty accurate, huh? Now for the free tool. Kling AI. It's my favorite free image generator. Super easy to use, with tons of styles. Click Launch App. Choose the Kling Art V1 model. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and IG Reels. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Click Generate. Boom. Not bad, right? Try the second image too. Looking pretty solid. Keep going and finish the rest. Step 3. Turn your images into video. Now the fun part. Turning images into video. I use Kling AI, my go-to tool. Each user gets 166 free credits per month. Want more? Just sign up with a few more email accounts. It's basically free at that point. And since we're making transformation videos, Kling's first and last frame feature is perfect. Click Create. Video. Upload the first and last image. No need for fancy prompts. Simple works great. Click Generate. Bingo. First video is done. Not happy with it? Try regenerating until it looks right. Next, make a second video. The after transformation scene. Upload the real-life image, use this prompt, or let DeepSeek inside Kling help you write it. Click Generate. Boom! Second clip done. Do this for each character, then combine the clips using CapCut in the next step, because I feel that the length of the two videos of one character combined is too short, not enough to attract the audience. I skipped the details about the process of other videos, cause same process with first one. I will just post the video and prompts here for your reference. If you think it is inconvenient to copy the prompts in the video, you can go to my WhatsApp to view the complete document. Step 4. Final edit in CapCut. Open CapCut. Import your video clips. Drag them into the timeline one by one. Trim, speed up, slow down, or cut awkward transitions as needed. Add transitions between characters. I like using black fade. Then add background music. Trim any extra parts. To remove watermarks from all clips, select all, CMD+A, right-click, create compound clip crop, and remove watermarks together. Double-check everything. Looks good? Export it. You're done. How is that? Not too hard, right? Let's check out a sample I made. Alright friends, if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video. It means a lot to me. Got questions? Want me to explore a new niche? Drop a comment. I read and reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Good luck.